Hi everyone, my name is Social Media with Nina. So by using Canva, because I had to create immediately a logo for a concert poster, upcoming concert, the boyfriend's concert. Sorry, I'm eating chocolate. Okay, so I had to create quick logo, but aesthetic pa rin tingnan. And may effort. So first is the background. So, click ko para sigurado. Kasi, yan. So, ito yung pinasa ko. Ito yung pinasa ko. So, yung bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung paano ko ginawa yung logo ng G and D Music Production. So, if nakikita nyo yung part na to dito, yan, yan. Mukha siyang and, yung and, pero it's actually double meaning sa visual note and the letter G. Dinikit ko silang dalawa. So, first, lumog ko muna yung background, and then, yan. Tapos, lumog ko muna to, or pwede hindi na lang. Yung main, ano dito is itong E. So, parang mag-overlap sila ng G. I was planning to create a shadow pa, kaso kapag i-black and white na siya, um, hindi na masyadong ma-appreciate yung letter G kapag i-black and gray na siya sa mga logo, sa mga prints. So, ginanyan ko na lang yung E. Yan. So, ganyan dapat yan. Pero, it's generic kasi kapag ganyan, yan lang yung gawin mo. So, the reason why I did this, kasi para talaga, pag i-black and gray mo siya, meron siyang sinasabing unison. Tapos, nilagay ko 'tong note. Yan, mo. Parang CE siya tingnan kapag wala yung note. Tapos, kapag nilagay ko yung note, magkakaroon siya ng parang illusion na G siya tapos E because of this. And then, this black right here, if you see that, this part right here, looks like and. Yung and na ano, and na element. So, yan. Music note lang siya kapag ganyan, pero pag lagyan mo ng ganyan, para siyang and. So that's how I made the G&E Music Production official logo.